Would you reckon? Ceramic coating Tesla, 5 minutes? Easy, let's go. Well, slightly different format to that vlog. Very little talking and all action on the car. I am absolutely burned up with hay fever, hence nose strip. And this is all good to go. Just needs to get the front number plate put on. Customers pick it up today. So big thanks again, Josh, who's currently underway in the next car, that big Land Cruiser. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and give us a wee like in the video as well. It would really help us out. Thank you very much for watching. Cheerio, bye.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud, it be raining now.
Ceramic coat. Would you like ceramic coating Tesla, 5 minutes? Easy, let's go. Take 3.